Seventh one, write a Python function that takes two lists and returns true if they have at least one common member. Okay, so we have to enter two lists from the keyboard and we have to check the condition whether any element matches both the list. So if it matches, we have to return true. Okay? So that is first we have to enter from the keyboard. Okay, we have to convert the string into list. How you convert using eval function. Okay, eval input enter a list one, another list y is equal to eval enter second list. Okay, so we have to compare these two lists, okay, to check whether any element matches. Okay, so there are so many other methods are there for matching comparing the list, but we will do without that methods. Okay, simple using for loop, okay, using nested for loop for x in sorry for num any num for num in x for num in y and nested loop. Okay, for num in x for num in y, or you can write here x something whatever num2. Okay, so num2 in y and check the condition now if num is equal to num2. Print true here. Okay? Print true. Simple. Simple. Nested for loop here. Means for num in x means it num is iterable, no? It iterates to each element of this x. Okay. Suppose if you enter 1, 2, 3, it iterates to 1, 2, 3, and it checks here 1, 2, 3 in this below for loop. Okay. Each element. Okay. For num2 in y, and if the condition matches, it returns true here. Okay. Simple. Nested for loop you have to take it. Okay. If you want to compare condition and list, if any element matches, just execute it. Enter list one. I am entering 1, comma 2, comma 3. And second list. So I am entering 1, comma 5, comma 6. Okay. So observe here. Two inputs, one matches here. So it has to return true here. So true here. Okay. So else condition you can edit. Else condition false. If it doesn't matches, it returns false. Okay. Simple.